Alright guys, we just got here. Looking just a little bit sketchy, but I just told him I'm here, so I'm just waiting for him to come out. And yeah, hopefully it looks good. It's supposed to be brand new, never used, so we'll see. Hopefully, because it was a pretty long drive. I don't know if you guys can see back there, but package acquired, guys. It looks super clean. Yeah, I really like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just go home. I'll probably just pick up the camera tomorrow once we're about to install it. So yeah, super happy, guys. Stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy the video. But as you guys seen from the previous clips, last night I want to go pick up something for the M5. You guys can see right there. You probably already know what it is due to the title and thumbnail. But yeah, I want to go pick it up. It was super clean and everything. And yeah, we're about to go install it today. I have to take this one off first. It's the stock M5 spoiler. Gonna take this off. Probably use like some floss or something. And then I can go ahead and install the other one. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like real quick. If you guys been subscribed for a while and you saw when I did the carbon fiber spoiler on the 535, then you know how it looked. This one's a little bit different, but still like kind of the same. The other one was a high kick, this was a PSM, so the style's a little bit different, but it's still aggressive. So we're about to see how it looks.
The other one was PSM too.
The other one was a high kick. It's more like pointy. This is PSM.
No, I didn't see.
As you guys can see right here, this is the PSM style carbon fiber spoiler. I don't know if you guys can really tell the difference, but they're very similar. The only difference is that this one is kind of flows a little bit more with the car, and then the top is a little more roundish instead of the other one how it was like super pointy. But yeah, I'll go ahead and put a picture up here of what the high kick looks like compared to this one, just so you guys can see the difference. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for this one and the high kick, so you guys can choose whichever one you want. But yeah, so I have to take this one off real quick. Like I said, I'll probably use some floss or something, maybe heat it up a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and get the tape on this one, and then we'll throw it on the car and see how it looks. But yeah, you guys can see right here how it looks as of right now with the stock M5 spoiler, which is actually really clean. It actually looks really nice, but I've always been a fan of the aggressive look, and that's something you guys want to see as well. So yeah, it's really excited because I've been wanting the spoiler for a while. I didn't think I was gonna get such a good deal this quick. Usually I wait until I find very good condition used parts or brand new parts for cheap on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that. And I found one yesterday. Literally, I was just chilling at home. I went on OfferUp, saw it, offered him. He said yes, and I want to go pick it up right away because I did not want to miss out on the deal. But yeah, I'm about to take this one off real quick. I'll probably put you guys in a tripod, show a few clips of me taking it off, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and get the tape on this one, throw it on, we'll see how it looks. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Quick little before of how it looks from different angles. Little side angle you guys can see right here. Just a few little angles so you guys can see the difference after with the other one, which looks way more aggressive. But yeah, now let's go ahead and actually throw it on. Oh, sick. Hey, it's coming off real easy.
Many unbearable hours later.
Alright guys, we were finally able to get the old spoiler off. You guys can see it's already getting dark outside. But thanks to my sister for helping me, because my fingers were about to fall off, guys. I was trying to pull the thread each side, and then I swear my fingers are about to get cut off. But anyways, I just put on some adhesive remover just to get all this residue off. I'm gonna let it soak for a bit, and then I'll scrub it off like with my finger or a towel. Try my best not to scratch the paint at all, because I don't want to. And then yeah, we'll go ahead and get the tape on the new one, which is actually inside the car because I didn't want it to get scratched. And then we'll go ahead and put it on, and hopefully it's not too dark by the time I put it back on, because I want to show you guys exactly how it looks and stuff. But if it is, I'll go ahead and take out the lights just to give you guys a better look. But yeah, stay tuned.
Much later.
Alright guys, after much time, we finally got it off. As you guys can see, it's like pitch black outside. Well, not pitch black, but it's like super dark outside already. You guys can actually see how it looks with no spoiler at all. And in my opinion, even that little spoiler that I had makes a huge difference. I don't know, it looks like something's off back here. But yeah, now I can finally go ahead and put the glue or the tape on the other spoiler and stick this thing on. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. But yeah, finally got it off. It looks pretty clean for the most part. Yeah, at least all the glue is off. I can probably take all this off if I were to keep cleaning it. It's not scratched, it's just like the leftover glue, but the actual trunk is smooth already. So yeah, you won't be able to see that anyways with the other spoiler. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tape on the other spoiler and then throw it on, and yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, it's time to peel off all the plastic and put on the new spoiler. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Kinda scared, I don't even know how I'm gonna align this. Ooh. Alright guys, it's on. Let me take you guys off this tripod real quick. It's finally on. Ooh, that looks so sick. You guys can see it right there. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Oh, I wish there was more light. Actually, I might just go ahead and upload clips for tomorrow. And the daytime, and show you guys what it looks like. Oh hell yeah guys. Oh yeah, that looks so sick. Excuse like the trunk is still pretty dirty, but oh yeah, that looks sick. That looks dope. Hell yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Once again, oh, I know it looks so much better if you can see the whole car. So I'm gonna go ahead and then just end it here for now. I'll probably just record tomorrow a few clips of what it looks like during the day, just so you guys can see it. But oh yeah, that looks so good. Anyways guys, I'll catch you guys either later today or tomorrow. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how this car looks with the new spoiler in the day with more light. Just stay tuned. Yo, what is going on you guys? It's the next day. It's pretty crazy. This is a 3-day video. Usually they're like 2 days, but 3-day video today. Basically, as you guys can see, there's actually sun out now. I'm waiting for the sun to go down a little bit so I can go ahead and start washing my car. But before I get into all that, I just want to show you guys what the spoiler looks like as of right now. In the daytime, you guys can see what it looks like, how it's looking and stuff. I honestly really like the spoiler. I think it flows a lot better with the car than the one I had on the 535. Yeah, I really like it. You guys can see how it looks. Let me know what you guys think though, your honest opinions in the comments below. This is like what I like, so obviously I'm gonna keep it, but I just still want to know like what do you guys think, if this is your type of style, or you guys are more of like the OEM look, maybe like the one I had but carbon, or maybe just the one I had paint matched to the car. Very OEM and very nice and clean. I really like the other one honestly, but I obviously like this one way more because like it's carbon, and who does not like carbon? And I've always been more of the aggressive look. I mean, a lot of people are, but yeah guys, that's how it's looking right. Oh man, I love this car so much guys. You guys have no idea. This has been my dream since day one. Since the day I got into cars and I got into Beamers, this was literally the car that I've been wanting forever. It came from an E60 M5 conversion. After I decided to sell that one, I really wanted an M car, just because I would see people post like the little M on their cluster, and it looks so cool to me. But obviously I couldn't afford that. I found the 535. It was a very good deal. I couldn't pass it up. I went with that. Still never thought I'd own an M car, even less an M5, the one I've been wanting this early on in life. But things changed and here I am now. Anyways guys, let me know what you guys think of the spoiler in the comments below. Honest opinions guys. But with all that being said guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see down in the comments below. Anything you guys want that I can make it, I will make it for you guys. And yeah, with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.